Good morning, guys. This is a quick information video for any of my subscribers, friends, people interested or in the middle of thinking of renovating their bathroom. I'm blessed enough to have two and made my mistake corrected very quickly. But here's what happened. We redid this entire, could use a scrubbing. We redid this entire bathroom. Vinny loves this. I call this his car wash shower system. I let him have it because I love my husband. And look at what he had to have. He had to have his rainfall shower head, okay? Nothing wrong with it. It's a beautiful shower in there. Not gonna lie. But if you're a woman and you don't want to get your hair wet and you don't wash your hair every day like me, I don't. I wash it once a week. Sometimes I'll let it go longer because I can't generate any oil. I have the dry hair. So this is not working for me. So after I don't know how much time in between bathrooms, but now I'm going to take you into the other bathroom and I'm going to show you why don't do this. If you only have one bathroom, especially, ladies and gentlemen, please think before you choose just the rainfall, because you'll always have to be with the shower cap if you're a lady. I know I do. Second problem. I didn't have it in here and it looks big enough to fit it. And if I wanted, I could put a stool in the corner. Again, if you're a lady, look closely. That's my dirty floor there. It needs to be scrubbed. There's nowhere to shave your legs. There's nowhere to lift your leg up. Okay? I'm old and I don't shave my legs every single 3 days like I used to in my youth, but still, it's a problem. You need somewhere, if you're a lady, to pick your leg up, to look at your toes, to scrub your feet, whatever have you. That's not happening in this bathroom. So I learned very quickly. Now I'm going to take you into what I call my bathroom, which is the spare bathroom, where we corrected all of these things. Okay, we're going into the spare bathroom. I have it on and the fan. Please forgive the noise. First of all, I love this bathroom because I went from chrome to all gold fixtures, even the drawers, the knobs, everything, the faucet, the sconces, the mirror. Even this little cabinet, we changed all the what do you call these? All the hardware, okay? Everything was changed. We even went so far as to the toilet flusher, okay? The toilet paper. Everything had to be in the gold or brass tone because this is what I wanted. I have the gold tone in here. And on the walls, see the same design in the tiles that we did? That was my idea, to put a strip in that spot, that size, that style. I love it. And it had the gold in it. So again, the shower faucet is the main thing I want to show you. Here you see, I have the regular, it's a big head, but it swirls in different directions where I don't have to put my head under it if I don't want to, okay? Everything matches, even the drain. I think this is hysterical. I had the plumber hunt down the drain. He had to go get that specifically. In any event, here's the thing. This is a smaller shower, but look how nicely that teak wood bench fits. I have somewhere to put my leg up and shave. So this is really a multi-gender bathroom, you know? It's great because you don't have to stay under the center rain shower. And I really love it. I wanted to share that because if anybody's renovating and you only have one bathroom, think before you break everything down and say, oh, I want a rain shower, because that's how I was. I really thought it was the best thing since ice cream. I wanted it so bad, and now, having had both, I prefer this type of shower. Again, it must just be me. Options. I like the option to wet my hair or not wet my hair. And in the rainfall shower, there's no way you can avoid it. It washes your whole body. It's comfy, it's beautiful, I'm not gonna lie, but you know, something to think about, just sharing a little renovation tip. I don't know if I even showed you the difference in both of the bathrooms, but there it is. And this is where I go to do my lady stuff, shave my legs. And if you need to sit even, you know, you notice there's no handbars in here. We put them in the main shower. They're not for Vinny, they're for me. Okay, guys, have a great Saturday.